In this section, I'm going to teach you how to edit elements and use shortcuts to make your workflow faster. Let's begin by selecting a presentation. I'm going to select a layout so that I can show you how to get around the design workspace. This will allow me to easily get started on the type of image I'm trying to create. In an instant, I already have a stunning design, and all I have to do is swap out the text or images. It's that simple. If I click on any of the elements, you will see that each element has different attributes that can be edited. The most common attributes are copy, to make an exact copy of elements, forward and back, to rearrange elements based on layers, delete, and some other options such as adding hyperlinks, making elements transparent, and flipping elements horizontally and vertically. To move elements, you can just left-click and drag the element around the design area. You will notice lines that appear when moving elements around. These lines are great for centering your elements and aligning them with other objects in the design. You can also single-click an element and then use your computer's arrow keys to move elements 1 pixel at a time. If you hold down Shift while doing this, the element will move 10 pixels at a time. Multiple elements can be grouped and edited together by left-clicking and dragging a marquee selection around the objects, or by Shift and left-clicking each element individually. This icon allows us to rotate the elements. You can resize an element by grabbing its corners. Most of the elements allow you to change the color, including icons, illustrations, backgrounds, and text. If I select the color swatch on the element, it will open up a dialog box with a color palette of your last used colors. By clicking the plus sign, you will have the option to select the color via the color wheel. You can also change the brightness here and use a 6-digit color code, which is commonly used in all types of other software applications. Canva also uses a layering system so that elements can be in front or behind other elements. Select the forward and back options to see this in action. You can also use the shortcut Control plus the up and down arrow keys on your PC, or Command plus the up and down arrow keys on your Mac. If you have made a mistake, you can undo this option by clicking this arrow at the top. Alternatively, you can use the shortcuts Control or Command plus Z to undo a step that you have made. If you undo a step by accident and would like to redo it again, you can use the shortcut Control or Command plus Shift plus Z.